you're experiencing frame stuttering while playing Roblox, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak or unstable connection can cause lag and stuttering. Consider using a wired connection if possible, or move closer to your Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Lower in-game graphics settings. Open Roblox and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics quality to reduce the strain on your system. This can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering during gameplay. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Roblox, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use a lot of system resources can interfere with game performance, so freeing up resources can help. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer to download and install the latest drivers. Updated drivers can enhance performance and fix compatibility issues. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your computer or device can resolve performance issues. This can clear temporary files and refresh system resources, potentially improving your gaming experience. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce frame stuttering in Roblox and enjoy smoother gameplay. If issues persist, consider checking for further technical support or community forums for additional solutions.